Lesson check. Sun. First, type your last name in the box here. Next, type your first name in the box here. You will now select your cycle number. Number 1. Our sun is at the center of our universe, solar system, or Milky Way galaxy. Number 2. Our sun is made up of mostly helium and hydrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide, or helium and oxygen. Number 3. The region of our sun that makes an enormous amount of energy through nuclear fusion is the core, radiation zone, or convection zone. Number 4. The region of our sun where heat flows as electromagnetic radiation is that core, radiation zone, or convection zone. Number 5. The region of our sun where energy rises and sinks in currents due to the unequal heating between the core and surface of the sun is that core, radiation zone, or convection zone. Number 6. Sunspots are regions on the surface of the sun that are cooler than the surrounding areas or hotter than the surrounding areas. Number 7. Huge loops of plasma on the sun's surface are prominences, solar flares, or sunspots. Number 8. When loops on the sun connect, they release a large amount of magnetic energy. These bursts of energy that erupt into space are called prominences, solar flares, or sunspots. Number 9. The white halo that forms the outermost layer of the sun's atmosphere is known as the corona, photosphere, or chromosphere. Number 10. Identify the feature of the sun pictured on the image. Prominence, solar flare, or sunspot.